The goal of the powder spreading process is to have a homogeneous powder distribution in the build chamber. Homogeneous distribution. This is related to the layer surface that should be as smooth as possible, but it is also related to the powder layer porosity. A locally inhomogeneous powder distribution in the current layer can affect the residual porosity of the final part. The powder spreading step can be simulated by tracking the motion of individual powder particles. Different powder materials can show variations in flow behavior depending on adhesion forces between the particles. Here, we see an example of a poorly flowing powder. This flow behavior must be considered when adjusting the spreading process in order to obtain a powder distribution that is as homogeneous as possible. The discrete element method is a suitable tool for this purpose.